Hey, what's going on, YouTube? This is Lionel here. I just wanted to shoot this video for you guys. I wanted to share another marketing source with you that I have been using for all my businesses now. I've been using this source for a little bit over 2 years, and I've been having a lot of success with it. And there's a lot of extra stuff in here that I want to share with you about it. So, as you can see, I'm on my screen right now. The company is called FutureNet. But before I get into it, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing more content with you. Also, make sure you hit the notification button so that way if I have some new content that comes out, you will be notified. All right, so let's get into it. So this company here is called FutureNet. Okay, FutureNet is a company that is out of Poland. I've been using this company now for over 2 years. They've been in business for 6 years, and what they started off being is a social media platform, much like Facebook. Now, there's a little bit of difference in what FutureNet does compared to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all the other social media platforms that are out there. And what that difference is they pay you for doing the things that you do on Facebook. So you get paid for posting, you get paid for liking other posts, you get paid for sharing posts, you get paid for commenting on posts, plus you get to advertise and market your business to over 4 million people that are in this platform. Okay, you heard me right, over 4 million people. So it's free to set up your account. You don't have to worry about paying anything if you want to get a free account set up. There is a team building commission structure set up in this side of the business, and the other side that I'm getting ready to show you here in a little bit as well. There's a matrix set up, but I won't go into details. But if you are interested and want to know more about that, just contact me and I'll send you the link to explain how that works. But for the purpose of this video, I just want to kind of talk about the marketing aspect, the advertisement, and how it works. As you can see, it's kind of set up similar to Facebook. You would just go in, you can enter, whatever it is that you want to put in here, whatever message you want to put. You can add photos, you can add links, you can add videos, you comment on people's posts, you can like people's posts. If you see something you like or see something that might be of interest to you, you're more than welcome to do that. It's just like Facebook, except guys, you get paid for it. So you get to advertise and market. So if you like, say, MyEcon folks, you can come here. This is a whole nother set of eyes that you have. I want to make sure to let you know, if you are advertising MyEcon, please make sure you put US only, because there's a lot of people from the US that are here, but you have a lot of people that are overseas as well that are in FutureNet. Okay, so just make sure you let people know that it is US only for your opportunity. Okay, so this is one thing. FutureNet has built a brand. They are a large company. They have like I said, they originated in Poland, but now they have multiple offices in different parts of the world. FutureNet actually is a, they've grown and they have lots of other things that they're doing. They just started this here called a FutureNet Foundation. They have their sponsors of sports. They have FutureNet cafes. They even have their own like Bitcoin machines. They even have one for themselves, because they do have their own coin. It's called Future Coin. But again, I don't want to get too deep into that. I want to focus on the advertising. So you can come here, market, advertise your business. It's free to get your account set up. Doesn't cost a thing to get your account set up at all. But if you want to know more about the earning aspects on this side of it, again, just let me know and I'll send you the matrix. Okay. Now, the other part that is also FutureNet, they've expanded out to a company called Future Adpro. This is their revenue sharing portion of the company. Now, some of you may be familiar with revenue sharing and some of you may not. So I'm going to explain this as if you've never heard it before. So if you are familiar with it, just bear with me, and I want to make sure that everybody understands how this works. So the way revenue sharing works is this part of Future Adpro is set up to where the company is selling advertisements, basically. Okay, so they're selling it to us as online marketers. They're selling it to brick and mortar companies. They're selling it to major retailers I've seen in here. So this is not just all online marketing, but there's lots of online marketers in here. But just to let you know that as far as the advertisement, it is real advertisement. Okay, real brick and mortar businesses come here also and advertise their opportunities. So the way it works is you purchase these things called ad packs. Okay, every time you purchase an ad pack, you are purchasing views that you can assign to your business. When you create an ad in Future Adpro, your ad will be seen by people that are in this platform. So every time you buy a pack, you're going to get views to assign to your business. And then once you do that, every time somebody clicks on it, that's a view. So you're putting your opportunity out there in front of people that may be interested in seeing what you got. Now, here's the cool thing. Every time you buy an ad pack, you're going to earn money back. The company is going to pay us back revenues. So the way it works is, let's say if I buy a $50 pack, okay, that $50 pack is going to earn me money back every day from the company, okay? It may be 30 cents, it may be 40 cents, it may be 50 cents. It's going to vary. It just depends on the revenue that the company generates. But the company pays you back earnings for every pack that you actually do have, okay? Now, you may say, well, Lionel, you don't just have one pack, you have 169 packs. Exactly. The reason why I have 169 packs is because of what I just said. For every single pack that I have, the company is going to pay me revenue. So on average, I'm averaging about 45 cents per day for every pack that I have. So I'm earning probably about $80, maybe $82 just on the packs. Okay. Now, as I mentioned in FutureNet, there's commission. There's also a commission structure here as well, where you can earn money by having your team get involved with advertising and marketing in Future Adpro as well. And you know, it starts off, if you come in with no team, you can earn 3%. If you come all the way up here, you can earn 8% on your first level, 4% on your second level, and then from level 3 to 5 you earn 1%. Okay, now that money adds up, and it adds up quickly if you have a team that is buying packs, okay, and wanting to advertise their business. So what a lot of people do, and me personally, my goal is to max out the number of packs that I have. At the level that I'm at, I can get 1,000 of the $50 ad packs and 100 of the $10 ad packs. Now, the ad packs do expire. Let me tell you how this works. Once you earn $60 back, that ad pack stops earning and it drops off. So let's say I'm at 169 packs right now, okay? And let's say if 5 of the packs that I have reach $60, those 5 packs will drop off, which will leave me with 164 packs. No problem. I can turn around and buy more packs with my earnings, or I can add money into the system and buy more packs if I choose to. It's up to me. But again, guys, here's the beautiful thing if you don't get what I'm saying. You get to advertise your business in a platform in front of millions of people, and you get to earn money while you're advertising. You don't have to do anything in addition to that except the way that you earn. Here's how you earn. Qualify to earn revenue. You have to click on 10 ads per day, and those advertisements are going to be advertisements of other individuals that are advertising and marketing just like yourself. You just have to click on 10 of them a day. That's within a 24-hour period, and then you're qualified. As you can see here, it says I'm qualified. Okay? As long as it says I'm qualified, I'm good. So all I would do is just come here and click on Watch Ads. Okay? And I would click any of these ads here. So these are ads that people have advertised within the system. So I would click on any of these ads. You'll see this green bar here starts to fill up. This is the ad that comes up. So if I want to know more about what this opportunity is, all I would have to do is I can click on it to see what it's about. You know, if I'm interested in wanting to know how I can buy Bitcoin with a credit card, I can click on it to see what it's about. I can play the video. I can do all these different things within the system. Now, once this, if I decide, okay, I'm not interested in what this offer is, once this bar reaches down to here, it will say next ad. You click on next ad, it will bring up the new ads for you to click on. Okay? And you would just click on another one. You do that 10 times within the 24-hour period, and that is how you're going to qualify to earn revenue being paid back to you from the company. Now, if you forget to do that, then you won't get paid the revenue. So that's all you're required to do. No more. This is the easiest way to earn passive income, guys, while getting to advertise and market your business at the same time. Okay? This is the easiest thing that's out there. Now let me show you. So I have earnings that I've made, okay, from this, and I want to show you how that works. I've earned so far, I have, I think, right at about $453 that I have in earnings. Now, I can do two things. I can withdraw that money if I want to. It's $453.38. I can withdraw this if I want to, or I can take this money and compound it back and buy more packs. Buying more packs is going to give me more advertising, and it's going to give me more money that I'm going to earn per day. So right now, I say I could buy 9 more packs. That would give me 178 packs that I would have. That means I probably earn right at about $85, $86 per day. Doing nothing, guys. Doing nothing. Passive money. All I'm doing is watching these 10 ads, and that's it. And then advertising my business. That's it. So let me show you how the advertising part works. So all I would do is just come here to click on advertising, create new ad. Okay? You just would enter your text in, if you whatever you want, you know, increase your credit score. Okay, I already have something here, but I'm just going to do something. 200 points. Okay, now they have the amount of, you know, text that you can have in each deal here. Learn how to increase your score, credit score, while getting paid. Okay, now I would come here. This is where I would put my link. Some of you that are in Income Shift Pro, you would put your link here. Okay, then you can choose your filter settings, age, demographics, wherever. Since I know this is US only, I'm going to market and advertise this in the US. I can choose any language. I'm just going to leave any language open. And then you can come here to see what your advertisement looks like. Once it's done, boom. This is what they're going to see, okay? This is mine. This is not part of Future Adpro. This is my deal. So this is what they're going to see, okay? So once you are done with that, then you would come here. This lets you know from buying your ad packs how many views you have available. You can assign however many views you want to assign. Hit submit. Done. That's it. I got MyEcon. You can do multiple businesses within the system, or if you want to do your business multiple times, you can. MyEcon once, twice, 3. I have it advertised 5 times. Okay, so it's there. It's done. That's it. I'm finished. So that's it. That's pretty much it, guys. So you get to, again, advertise your business and make money at the same time, and all you have to do is click on 10 ads per day. So if you want to know more about this, if you still have questions about it, if you don't understand it, reach out to me. let's talk. But this is another marketing source that I've been using for over 2 years, and I've made about $27,000 somewhere around there passively, meaning that I'm not really doing anything major. Okay, I just really kind of started advertising as far as recruiting for this thing, but all of my people that are with me in MyEcon, they're in this on my team as well, because it is easy, it's passive, and you're getting your opportunity in front of millions of people. So reach out to me if you have any questions about this. But this is definitely something you want to put in your arsenal and share with your teams and use this thing here. This is a phenomenal system that really does work, guys. So reach out to me with any questions. I'll talk to you later. Signing out.